The 747ER, with a cruising speed of 939 kilometers per hour, flying the longest commercial route on the planet. It's the slowest jet in our lineup, but it's also the largest by far. There are now just 5 hours to go until departure. On the non-stop flight between Sydney and Dallas, this aircraft will spend 80% of its time over water. A multiple engine failure above the Pacific will be catastrophic. So it's imperative the 4 monstrous turbofan engines are meticulously checked for damage and thoroughly cleaned. If left untreated, the buildup of dirt on the compressor blades could prove disastrous. The solution? One serious power wash. On the flight deck, the team fire up the engines and a cleaning solution is blasted through the compressor blades. It's critical that all of the water is expelled from the inner workings. Any moisture could freeze in flight and cause immeasurable damage. A full power run-up outside of the hangar is the only way to completely dry them out. But on the hangar floor, the engineers have discovered a problem. The demands of coping with a 413-ton aircraft are brutal, and the punishment has taken its toll on one of the aircraft's 18 massive tires. As the engineers ease a new tire onto the hub with close to Formula One style efficiency, a 600-ton capacity airport tractor attaches itself to the Jumbo's colossal nose wheel. It eases the 70-meter-long aircraft out of the hangar and across to the airport's engine test apron. In the cockpit, it's the job of aircraft maintenance engineer Simon Travers and Steve Sheeky to ensure all 4 engines are completely dry and producing maximum thrust in preparation for takeoff, which is now just 3 hours away. Now in position in front of the blast fence, Simon commences the engine tests.
Starting
To attempt a full power check with all 4 engines would burn out the brakes and launch the aircraft across the busy airport. So Simon and Steve are limited to running just 2 at a time. Simon eases the throttles forward to maximum power, expelling any remaining water out of the back of the engines. There's now just one task left for the ground crew: to deliver the giant aircraft to its departure gate in time for boarding. It's been a busy 24 hours for Alan and his team, but right on schedule, the fully laden 747ER takes to the sky for another epic flight to the other side of the world.